Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the Switch 2 here and I'll be showing you how to do a complete reset of your device. Now, if for some reason you need to completely wipe your device, this is the option for you, meaning you'll erase everything on your device. You'll have to log back into all your accounts and re-download everything except for physical games that you own. Now, do note this will erase everything unless your game saved are backed up in the cloud. They will not be recoverable. All right, so make sure that you understand what this does. I'm just going to show you the option to reset your device completely. So just in case you cannot find the option, here's what you do. You're going to go to system settings. That's the option right there. We're going to select from the top of the screen. You're going to move all the way down. Then you're going to go to this option that says system. All right, so you're going to go into the main system. Then you have several options here. You're going to go through. All right, then you're going to go to the data clear options. That's the one down there that's clearly defined. Then of course you're going to see several options. All right, so this is the option for you. That's the last option that says restore factory settings. So it's going to delete all your data in the system memory. All right, I'm not going to do it on this. I'm simply showing you what to do. So simply go ahead and confirm. Then you're going to follow the on-screen instructions and your device is going to be completely wiped. It's going to erase everything that's stored in the memory. It's going to be as if you are using your system for the first time out the box. It's going to erase everything. This option works great if you're going to sell your device, or of course in cases where you need to start back over and to set up things afresh, or maybe there was something wrong with your device that cannot be rectified through settings, so you'd have to wipe it. All right, so for whatever reason, if a wipe is what you need, this is the option for you. So go ahead and select by selecting A for OK, and of course it will walk you through the process on screen. Simply read the instruction and go ahead and select, and at the end it should wipe your device. All right, so I'm just showing you how to do that on your Switch 2, so go ahead and do it. All right, so see you in the next one guys. Bye.